How can we use Eddie McCaw's face swap? Well, basically we click here on face swap. As you can see in the tool, if we already have a project, no problem. We simply go to media and then AI video. Here we have the option to change faces. We can do a face swap between videos, replace faces in videos, the option to replace faces in photos, and the option to replace multiple faces in videos and photos. We simply select one of the options. As you can see, it shows us the best use cases, that is, photos, portraits. Here we'd upload the video or photo we want to modify. We do a facial recognition. I've selected an image here. Let's see what facial recognition it does and how long it takes to recognize the face. There it has recognized my face. As we can see, it has placed the face outline. It asks me to select a face if I want. It tells me one is free. It tells me to change a target. For example, let's change it to this face. I understand I can upload my own face. That's the fun part. I can use my own face. Here, let's pretend we want to use another face. It says free is for one-time use. We can try it free once, which we'll do now. Let's see what the result looks like. Great, we've got the creation done with Eddie McCaw. Here's the before and here's the after. As you can see, it swapped the faces from the blonde girl to the new one. So yeah, it's easy to swap faces with Eddie McCaw. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, how can we use this AI powered video editor? So how can we use Eddie McCaw? We can create a video from an idea or script, but let's look at the editor's interface. This editor actually uses the same interface you'd find in Filmora. There's an area to import files on videos, images and other content, which we can drag to the timeline. Obviously there are many features available, including separate tracks for audio and video, and when we select a video we can modify it. It shows the audio is separate, but we can adjust the video scale. In other words, we can adjust its size, opacity and transparency, as well as its position, rotation and mirroring, and we can change the background if there is one. If it's scalable, as you can see, we can alter the background, and all of this can be done without any issues. We can add masks, effects and AI tools like background removal or blurring, which is similar to what we mentioned earlier. So within the editor, for basic functions, we can add text with various artistic styles, insert different elements from this section, include audio files provided by the platform, whether it's regular music or AI generated tracks, add transitions between video clips as you know, and cut videos, with all these tools available here at the bottom. It reminds me a lot of Filmora's interface, I must say. We drag and drop and there's the transition between videos. Perfect. We can apply filters which are layered on top of the video, so you see the video as it normally looks and then you apply the filter, changing its appearance. As you can see, there are many filter types we can drag and play with for edits and more. We can also add effects. Once again, these effects do require a bit more rendering power, and it seems that some features here need people in the video. We can add subtitles and create an AI generated avatar. So that's a quick overview of the program's basics to help you understand the interface.